Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how you can convert your in-theme setup and get a dedicated integration with a LearnDash. We offer a plugin LearnDash add-on. It provides you a dedicated interface for the LearnDash, and today we are going to explain what features you are getting using this add-on on top of the basic functionality you are getting for the LearnDash. Okay, at present I have enabled the LearnDash add-on, this one, and once it is activated, you are getting some new features inside the backend options, LearnDash. Okay, the first option is it enables a default cover image for the LearnDash courses. The second is you can also get a functionality for the review. So you can allow your student to add a review for your courses, and who can submit this review. This can also be controlled from here. And in this add-on, we have also created a functionality for displaying Instructor tab, this Instructor tab, and you can hide and show this Instructor tab from the backend. And for the functionality point of view, we are offering LearnDas courses into 3 different layouts. First is the default layout, second is a layout which is similar to the Udemy, and next one is the Teachable. Okay, so the default layout look like this one, like where you're getting a interface with sidebar, and all the features of the courses look like this one. It is dynamically count all the available lesson, topic, and the quizzes in this course, along with how many student has been enrolled, if certificates are enabled or assignment is enabled in this course or not. Okay, and the second tab, you are getting information about what are the course content you are providing and who is the instructor of this course. And the second layout is the Udemy like layout, where you are getting a course interface, something like this one, and they are getting course description, course content, and the instructor details, along with the features of what you are getting with the courses. These are the default LearnDash counting, and here you are getting a overview, like who is the instructor and how many rating and the review they have got from how many students, and what is the current count of the number of students in this course. After this one, we also provided a default layout for the course listing, and on the course listing page, it is a modified layout for the course listing, and we can also make it as a full width without using the sidebar. Going to the courses, archive, make it full width, publish. Okay, so on this page we have an inbuilt functionality to display all the courses, and that can be filtered using categories. If we have included any categories, then it will display the category drop down. Along with that one, if we have multi-instructor, then we can filter courses by their instructor name, and we can also search them by their title. And this UI comes with the 2 different interface, grid layout and the list layout. You are also free to utilize the course grid layout what are coming from the LearnDas by default. For the LearnDas setting point of view, all the LearnDas specific options are the same, and right now USD. Right now it was displaying as a 40. The price selection was not selected there. Once it is selected, it will display $40 or $30, whatever the price will have with their currency symbol. Okay, for the single course perspective, suppose that we are going to open this first course, and currently it is coming as a default layout. So inside the backend option of this course, we are giving them a meta options, which allows you to choose which type of layout you are planning to opt for this course, and you can choose it from here, like what is the course default layout you are planning. So suppose that I have selected the Udemy layout, and with the Udemy layout I can also set my cover image for the top. Suppose that I have selected this one by default, update, view new tab. So now you can see that I can also set my cover image, and my course, the same course, is now displaying inside the Udemy layout. And for these course features, if you want to display like number of videos, how many hours of videos you are planning, how many assignment you have given, so if you want to generate these details manually, then we have also provided option for it. Inside the setting option, we have course custom features. Okay, so if this option is enabled, you can select okay. Okay, so in that way we can also include our custom feature for these courses, and these settings can be included at course level. So you can also choose your icon, which icon you are planning to use, and you can also put your own text, and this detail can be included multiple times. Okay, in this way you can include custom features for your course to highlight what exactly you are offering in your course, and it will be displayed like this one. So by default, if you haven't made any selection, then it will display the default lesson count, topic count, quiz count, and if you want to put your custom text, you can utilize in this way. And for the teachable layout, it is just a selection option. It looks like this one. And on top of the LearnDas default UI modification and adding these features, the review functionality look like this one. I'm going to the back to all the courses, view. Let me enable the review functionality from here. So using this plugin, you do not have to include any related course functionality or any review course functionality. So everything is part of the system. General. Okay, I'm going to, for the course review functionality, we have an option here, like if you want to disable it, we can disable it from here. If by default it is enabled, and if you are going to the front end option, we have to make sure the course comment functionality is enabled, and you can check at two locations for that one. First location is on the course pages, you have option discussion allow comment, and the second location is inside the courses, we have an option enable comment from LearnDas options courses, and this comment option need to be enabled. Okay, so once you have the course review enabled or comment enabled, then it will display a review tab like this one, and it will allow to include new reviews. Okay, I had just included a review earlier. It is a demo import, so it is displaying in the backdate. Okay, the next one is we have also integration with group synchronization with the BuddyPress, and also the course synchronization with BuddyPress. So the first option is the group synchronization with the course. So going to the range setting again. At a course level, we have a functionality where you can synchronize a course enrolled member to a BuddyPress group, and this integration can be enabled from here. Enable the group synchronization, and once the group synchronization is enabled, at a course level you are getting an option where you can synchronize a individual course with a group, with the BuddyPress group. So here you are getting a meta box like this one, like to which group it need to be connected, and if it is connected, then enable the BuddyPress activities, like when someone has completed their lessons, when someone has completed their courses or completed their topics or quiz, that will create a activity inside the BuddyPress activity stream. Okay, the second thing is when we are going to at a course level, we have the option to edit, and here we are getting an option to connect a BuddyPress group with the course. Suppose that if we have an existing group using any name, we can utilize that one to connect it. Suppose that I'm going to map it with the inspection. First of all, I'm going to include a couple of users here, like these one included to the groups. So I have included a couple of members to this course, and these members all start with M1 with P, And once the course is connected to an individual group, suppose that I have selected this matrix one, so it will give you a pop-up like this one. So all the remove of that existing group will be removed, and any enrolled member of this course will be included as a member of those groups. Okay, so the matrix group is selected and it is synchronized. So after the update, okay, if I'm going to check the group, inside the group, it is the matrix. Now you can see that 7 members, and I'm going to the members. So you can view that all the members what we have is starting with the M. These are the same one what we have selected for this group. So you have one functionality where you can synchronize your course with individual BuddyPress group, and the second functionality what we have is going to the LearnDash group level, and this functionality can be enabled from here, range setting, and inside the range setting the second option is LearnDas Group to BuddyPress integration. In that way, that particular LearnDash group can be synchronized with BuddyPress group. Okay, so by default it will automatically create a group as a private group, and it will synchronize all the group leader as a administrator of that group, and all the student will be synchronized as a member of this group. Okay, I'm going to create a new group for the LearnDash, add the first group, and suppose that I'm going to use a group name with sample. Okay, and I can include some sample content here, and okay, and you have to enable this option associated BuddyPress group. If nothing is selected, then it will create a group, and for the course point of view you can select one course, and suppose that I have selected 2 courses there, and for the user perspective I have included some different one, so that I'm going to include these 2 only. Okay, so 2 members are included as a member here, and this one is included as a group leader. Publish. Once the group is published, it will create a group here inside the BuddyPress with the same name, sample group, and now you can see that the person is the group admin here, and as a member 2 members are included here as a student. Okay, so it will include all the student as a group member. In that way it will helpful to sell these groups as a individual packages using WooCommerce or directly with the Stripe integration, and all the student what we are synchronizing here, they will be also the part of your community group either with the BuddyPress or BuddyBoss. And plugins. Okay, so as add-on functionality you only need the LearnDash add-on, and it is going to work with the LearnDash, and these 2 plugins are coming from the itself, and RT Media we are using BuddyPress as a media alternative we are using RT Media, and this current setup can be configured using demo installer. So we are also offering a demo installer, and the current setup what we are using in this setup is LearnMate LearnDas BuddyPress installation. This installation is used to demonstrate all the functionalities what we have displayed now. Let me know if you have any specific questions. Thank you.